Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are come to do a mid fade. Let's go. Let's begin with the high top. I come with my comb 3 level fully closed. I make sure I brush the hair down cleaning and make sure every length is well blend or the level is well accurate. Then here I come with my trimmer to create the first buck line around the hair. So this is how we used to do me. So now I come with my babyliss trimmer. I first create my guideline 0. I make sure I go all over the hair to make sure everything is well clean and smooth. Guys, then I come with my senior level fully open. I make sure to create 1-inch guideline to make I flick it up motion. Then I come with my guard 1 level fully open. I also would create another 1-inch guard. Then I flick it up 1 inch. Then I make sure I go all over and all over again to check whether everything is well clean. This is my work. Guard 1 level fully open. Then I come with my word 1.5 level fully open. I also would create a 1/2 inch of it. I flick it up motion. I flick it out motion. So I go with all over with my overcomb. Yeah, to make sure to check whether everything is well. Then I come with my what 1/2 level fully 0.5 close. Then I also would clean the first guideline, which is the clipper level fully open and the 1 to create another to make sure everything is well blended. You see how I take my time, go all over and all over and all over to make sure everything is well blended. Yeah, this tip is for the beginners. It helps for the beginners to acquire more skills. Then I come with my word guard 1, the same 4.5 closed. I flick it out a little bit. I make sure I don't go too much up to do high fade. So I take my time bit by bit, go all over and all over to cross check. Then I come with my wall 1.5, also the same level. Yeah, 1.5. I take my time, flicking it up motion. Yeah, you see how I take my time to make sure I get the perfect mid fade and clean fade. Yeah, I'm coming to clean the first buck line, which I use my babyliss trimmer to create. So I come with my clipper level fully close. I move half an inch of it. I make sure I don't flick it in too much to cause any guard line there. So I take my time. And sometimes when cutting a client, please let your hand be flexible. It makes you to flick out motion. Then I open my clipper level fully 0.5 open. In here, I would come with my clipper level fully open to clean the guard line there. I make sure I don't flick it up to where the 1.5 is. So I make sure I don't want to flick it up. I make sure to use the corners of the clipper. Yeah, I'm doing what? A flicking down motion. Yeah, if you like what I do, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And here I come with my what? My comb one level fully closed, I flick it down motion. Bit by bit to cross check whether my fade is well clean. This tip is for the beginners of the barbers. And yeah, I'm going with my comb one to cross check. Then we come to the other side also. Whatever we did to the other side, we repeat the same thing. So here I come with my babyliss trimmer. I first create my guard line 0, the buck line. Yeah. Please, if you like how I do my fade, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can share it for the beginner barbers to follow for more videos, tutorials. So here I come with my clipper, level fully open. Whatever I repeat, I did to the other side, I repeat the same thing. So I come with my clipper fully open, I move one in each of it. So here I come with my comb one level fully open. We are doing the back side of the hair. So I come with my comb one level fully open. My name is sharpbarber360. You can follow me all on social media platform. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're a beginner barber for more video content tutorial. Here I come with my half, which is 0.5 level fully close, 4.5 close. So here I make sure I use the dryer to blow all the unnecessary hair out. So here I come with my clipper fully closed to clean the first guard line I create between the 0. I use the buck line, so I'm using my clipper level fully closed. I move half an inch. I make sure I don't flick it in to cause any line or any buck line there. This is the step-by-step mid fade tutorial. So here I come with my freehand sketch using my clipper level fully open to cross check, doing the detail work to make sure everything is well blended and accurate and crispy fade. So here I go all over and all over again to check. I use my clipper fully open to flick it down motion to cross check any area which is not well blended. So here I'm here to teach you how to do a crispy lineup. So here I go with my comb one level fully open to brush all the hair out. So here I come with my aftershave. Anytime you want a crispy lineup, please sometimes we'll use your hako or aftershave after blow dry the hair to make you get a crispy lineup. You see what I'm doing? Yes. So here I was about to start the lineup. You can see my client have a pushback, but I make sure I will not push it back. So here you see I started from the other side, moving it bit by bit. You see, then I move to the other side also. And always, please, when doing a lineup, please use your mirror to check whether everything is accurate. You see here, I'm not going for the skin, I'm going for the hair. Please, whenever giving a lineup to your client, please do not press your hand. You understand? You see here, I come all over again to check whether everything is well accurate and straight, because I want to give my client a crispy lineup. This is how we used to do a crispy lineup. So here I come with my hairbrush kit. I use the setup enhancement to enhance the hair to make the lineup look more crispy. To look more crispy, you see, this is what I'm using the brand of setup enhancement to cross check to make the lineup look more crispy and the fade to look so sharp. And guys, this is how I use my water, my hairbrush kit. Then I move to the other side also. Setup enhancement. If you want the enhancement which will make your lineup look more crispy, I recommend setup enhancement for you guys. Let's go. So here I'm doing the length of the shape, which is the he doesn't want the C cup, and sometimes the mid face. Some people want what a C cup, and some people doesn't want what a C cup. But what I did for my client, no C cup. Yeah, this is how I use my airbrush kit. I go all over and all over to make sure everything is well. You see the how it's come, you see? And guys, please, whenever using your enhancement, please do a clean fade before using your enhancement. Whenever the enhancement is washed off, the client will see he have a good fade, so that your client will see have a good fade. You see the how it's come? Yo, so now I go all over and all over to check whatever I'm doing is right. I cross check on my works to make my work look so sharp and crispy. Sharp and crispy. What are you waiting for? Hit on the notification button to follow, to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. You see how the lineup look crispy? Check out the fade. You see the outcome? Please, what are you waiting for? This tip is for the beginner barbers. It helps them to acquire more knowledge in how to do a crispy fade. Yeah. You see? I hooked my boy on. So here I was trying to level up his beard. I'm trying to level up his beard. You see, I take my time to deliver the good works. This is the finishing. See how the lineup look more crispy. Even you see my client was happy, and you see, always keep a smile on your client. What are you waiting for? You see? You see how clean, 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 clean. Check it out, please. Guys, follow for more tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Peace. I'm out.